morning. Been up since 5, ain't nothing going on. Oh man. Right now we are going to an overdose. 65-year-old man here at Sonic's on 23rd Street. I'm gonna try to get here. Right now it's shift change.
Coach Medical 8708 Cherry Hills Drive for an ill patient.
So officers might take a little bit of time to get there, but whoever gets there first, if I get there first, to do CPO or do some Norcan, help this person out.
Advising me the second half is going to be on a wheelchair. It's going to be on the second lane of traffic on 23rd Street, just east of Chester Avenue.
Damn, he's in a wheelchair? In the lane? Found him yet, or he did.
Apollo 25, 1x2, confirm the subject on the last is now responsive and alert.
Not responding, they're there.
How do you make contact right now?
They got me confused. Find out when we get there. How do they know it? Not responsive. Responsive. Right now. There they are right here, guys. There they are. Yeah, they're there.
Medical, second half for refuse medical aid.
Yeah, he's alright. He's fine. He's just old. He can barely move. He's just old. He can barely move. Don't know why you say that he's overdosing. He's not even overdosing. Come on, boy. So they're gonna let him go, guys. So we're gonna pause this and find someone else for this video here, everyone. He's good. He can barely move. Said he was overdosing. You know, people call stuff in, and he's fine. He's not on the ground overdosing. So I'm gonna pause this, and find something else. Be back. Okay, we're here at Poly School here on Plans, everyone. Apparently, I guess he was trying to take some stuff from on top of the roof. So we're gonna be right here. This guy is wigging out too, man. He is wigging out. So we're gonna get right up on here. Yeah, he was taking stuff, I believe, from the top of the cooler. Now he doesn't want to come down. And he's yelling. So they're gonna go around. Let's see if they can get him from up there. Yeah, this is on Poly School. He's on the ladder. And they're asking him to come down. Yeah, he's wigging out.
Transfer unit to have medical move in.
Have medical move in. I think he's having a nervous breakdown.
As they say, once he sees the ambulance to the front, he'll come down.
They were advised to stage across the street. Confirm you're wanting them to move in with units now?
To move in is about 100 feet from where their location is, so the subject can see him and then come down.
Copy.
So he wants to see the ambulance and then he'll come down. Apparently he knows that he needs help. There's an officer up there. Yeah, I think he does need some medical attention. He wants to see the ambulance. And this is at a school, you know. School's going to be opening up pretty soon. They want to get this guy down. And he's coming down, guys. He's coming down.
Engine 5, BPD is now requesting for units to stage 100 feet closer to the school.
And he is down, everyone. He is down. Yeah, Kate said she heard something, but I almost didn't hear it until the second call came out. You know, people like this, they like to go up here in the coolers, take the aluminum, copper and stuff like that. It costs money, dude. It costs a lot of money. That's the only reason why they go up there is to rip things off. So apparently I don't think he's in the right mind either. So he's gonna get the help that he needs. Well, if he's on drugs, I'll take him to the hospital. Try to get some charcoal, some Norcan or something. He'd probably be wigging out. He's wigging out big time. Yeah. This is on Plans off Union in Chester. And there goes the fire department.
Copy. Please cancel ambulance 701.
sergeant, both sergeants went up there on top of that roof. Crazy. Crazy.
51, you can clear medical aid.
Over cancel medical aid?
Affirmative, we're code 4.
Jumper.
Okay, everyone, that's what took place here on Plans at our poly school. Apparently, the guy was up there trying to take things off the cooler, and somebody seen him, called it in. Apparently, he was probably not in the right mind. Probably not in the right mind, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed morning.